What's up, YouTube? It's Chris with Murphy Firearms Training. I have got the Tippmann Armory rolling block. Got some steel set up at 25 yards. Going to see what it does. Never shot these buckhorn sights before. We have an argument in my home between me and my camera woman today, whether we hold at the very, very top of the diamond there or we hold at the top of the ears. I'm going to start down here and see if it shoots regular or if it shoots low, and go from there. So we're gonna see, we're gonna settle an argument today. Got some hand loads, 357 Magnum, 158 grain. These are gas checked semi-wad cutters, and have never fired this gun before, so you guys get to see the very first shot. And if we hear steel ring, then I didn't miss. We're gonna find out. Here we go. Well, I didn't hit the steel, so I don't know. Let's try another one. Could be very inaccurate hand loads and not where I'm aiming. Let's find out. It's Ooh, that was a hit. Okay. So I think this thing's set up to shoot like a long distance, because I think it hit high, and I'm aiming at what would be the low spot in our argument. So anyway, let's see. I'm gonna aim 6 o'clock and see where that hits. Wow. Yeah, this thing's set up to shoot way further than 25 yards. Okay. And the really funny part is the sight's all the way down. It's at its lowest. So I could actually set it up to shoot further away. Wow, that hits that steel hard. What on earth? Must not have closed the breech all the way. Let's see. Wow, that's hitting that steel hard. That's hitting that steel hard. Well, I'm going to try a piece of steel at 100 yards. I got a silhouette. I bet I can hit that at 100 yards. Let's find out. It broke the target. It broke the target. It hit it though.
It did.
So anyway, well, it'll hit a man-sized target. That's a 2/3 IPSC silhouette. If you're familiar with a C-zone target, that's a 2/3 silhouette at 100 yards, and it hit it. And that target's kind of taken a beating from some bigger calibers. We've shot some AR-10s at it quite a bit, and one of the welds was loose. Well, apparently one 357 Magnum's all it took to break the weld. So anyway, well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to try the 6-inch swinger at 100 yards. Now, I don't know if I'll hit that, but I hit the silhouette, so let's see. Looks like it went just high. Dang, this thing shoots high. I would think a pistol cartridge would fall like a... Oh, that's not good. It skipped over the ejector there. We don't want to do that. That was almost bad. Skipped over the ejector there. We don't want to do that. So this thing definitely shoots high. Yeah, I can't spot. I'd need you to spot for me. Anyway, seems to be shooting pretty good with the 357s. He did it again. So come here and let me show them this. That's interesting. So you got your, it's actually an extractor and an ejector. This little peg here. And when you flip this ear back, let me show it in slow-mo. So it sits there, and when you get all the way back, it kicks that back, kicks the cartridge out. If you are not careful loading, if you shove this in real quick, I've done it twice now, and of course it won't do it with her taking a close-up, but it has skipped over that twice, and you really don't want to do that when you're loading it. So that's a small point of contention you may want to watch out for. So let me try. I'm going to shoot this swinger in front of me again at 25 yards. You want to get a video of the swinger? You on it? Mm-hmm. course I would miss when you're videoing me. See if it went under or over.
Second.
Did it again. Caught in the half cock notch. Wham! Boy, it hits hard. Well, that's a 6 o'clock hold. Let me try a center hold, see if I still hit it.
Wait a second.
Ready?
You're good.
Did it again. And that hit kind of high. So it is actually a little, from what I can tell on the steel, at 25 yards, it's high. But it's interesting, twice I've pulled the hammer and it's caught in the safety notch and not gone all the way to the firing pin. That's interesting. So that's twice that's happened. And maybe I'm letting off the trigger too soon, but I would think that hammer would fall fast enough that wouldn't be an issue. I wouldn't think I could let off the trigger fast enough. I'm gonna try the little swinger. I'm gonna try the little bitty swinger. I'm gonna aim dead center. Wow, that rocked that swinger. But I am definitely aiming at the...
On the diamond?
On the diamond.
And not the ears, okay.
There's a tiny little notch above the diamond, and I'm just putting the front sight in that notch. I'm not coming up to the ears. I'm gonna try one aiming all the way at the top of the ears, and I think I'm gonna shoot under, over the target if I do that. Oh God, that's awkward. I don't even, like, I can't even make myself do that. That's so weird. Yeah, it's gonna shoot way off. Maybe not, who knows. Did it again. See, it caught in the safety notch.
I see.
That's interesting. I wonder if that's a known problem. Yep, that went high, clean over the target. Yeah, so, sorry, babe. Feels good that I was right about something once in our marriage. I can be right on camera. So it's definitely, you're gonna put your sight notch right at that diamond there. Okay, well, let me try another one here. It did it again. That's very interesting. Wow. That 357 Magnum really rocks that steel at that distance. That's pretty cool. It's really heavy gun. Not a lot of recoil. I mean, really not a lot of recoil. It's really not a lot of recoil at all. So.
Can you put regular 357 Magnum loads in it?
Well, that's 357 Magnums. Okay. That's what we're shooting.
I'm sure if you made a lighter load.
No. I don't make like 357 Magnums. No, but I did bring some 38s, and I'm gonna put some 38 specials in it and see how it does. So these are lead round nose. These are really, really, there it goes. Look, check it. See, it jumped over the ejector / extractor. I guess that piece does both jobs. Yep, did it again. So I mean, you gotta be real careful about shoving those rounds in. I don't know if that's an issue or what, but let's shoot it with a 38. I bet it has like no recoil with a 38. Now, it's an issue. Ah, that's a 22.
I say it sounded almost like a 22.
That's like a 22. That's like nothing, man. That's like nothing.
All right,
wow.
You gotta let me shoot it once then.
Oh, I'm going to. 38s or 357s?
38s.
Wow, that's so easy. We'll pause that and we'll switch places. Let's see if it does. Maybe it's just user error. I want to see if it does the thing with the trigger with you.
Push it.
Yep, that's it. And it's ready to fire. And just put the forend on the block, not the barrel, just because I want to scratch my barrel.
And your long arms. Of you.
I know. Sorry. There you go.
No.
I told you it's like a 22, didn't I?
I think that shoots less than a 22.
Wow. I mean, because it's such a heavy gun with the 38s. I mean, those are 158 grain semi-wad cutter 38 loads. They're not, they're not downloaded. I mean, that's our typical 38 target load that you shoot in your air weight. Just leave it and grab another one.
I don't think I hit anything.
You aim at the steel swinger?
At the little one, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to look. I'm watching the video camera.
Alright. Give me some fun with the big ones.
Yeah, they're not bad. I mean, they're really not bad. I mean, it's really, even with 357 Magnum, it's not bad. Aim at the big swinger. Like right at 6 o'clock. Oh, I meant the big round one, but okay. Well, you definitely hit something with that. That's not bad, is it?
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, I mean, and those are like hot 357s. I mean, they're like, that hurts your hand in a handgun, and out of that, it's literally nothing. Like, caught in the safety notch, just like it did with me. Bing. Yeah, that's like really a joy to shoot. Don't know what's going on with it catching the safety notch, though. That's kind of weird.
I just have to see.
What do you think? Yeah.
Definitely an interesting sight for that.
Yeah. It's interesting action, too. I mean, it's...
So, well, we'll see if we can figure out what's going on with the action, and see if we can figure out why it's catching on that.
Yeah.
If we get it all the kinks worked out, we'll send you another video.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.
Just want to show the dents that this Tippmann Armory rolling block's putting in these primers. Man, oh man, you do not have to worry about light primer strikes, because it really hits those primers. I mean, it puts a dent in them. So anyway, thought you guys would enjoy seeing that as well.